Anong plano natin today, Zia? Ano?
I need to wear my seatbelt.
Later. How old are you now?
3.
Wow, Zia's 3 years old. What is your plan for this year?
To school. Hi guys.
And
Hi, Nanan.
so, saan tayo pupunta today? Ano? We go to the beach?
Yeah.
Uy, good job!
Order natin.
One piece chicken lang ako.
Without
No drinks. Ay, di. May drinks muna pala.
With
Ay,
drinks. Ano yung 99? 99?
oo.
Ano po? Hello, good morning.
Morning po.
Dalawang yung tigna 99 na rice and chicken.
Chicken, ma'am. Ano pong drinks, ma'am?
Anong drinks mo? Pwede ba yung drinks upgrade ng coffee?
Yes, ma'am. Pwede po.
Sige, ice. Ano na lang? Ice coffee black na lang ata.
Yung isa, iced coffee black.
Okay, ma'am. Yung
Tapos,
isa po.
Yung isa, premium roast coffee.
Okay, ma'am. 319 po per single. Thank you.
Thank you. Ate, pa-add ako ng creamer tsaka sugar, ha? Ay, hindi. Ay, wala palang spicy. Wala palang spicy na lang.
Pwede ko na rin in-insist.
Isang hot cake, dalawang chicken. Dalawa, ma'am. Thank you.
Punta rin siya tumutumba.
Sorry.
Okay.
Are you sleeping again?
Yeah.
Ah! No, you sleep later. You just woke up.
I don't come.
You just woke up. Don't sleep.
I don't wake up.
No, you did.
No.
How about you sleep later? Okay na nga. Sige na nga. Sleep ka na muna. You wake up later, okay?
Hey, look, there's a video here. Hello guys, welcome my channel. Hello to my friend. This is Macy and my friend. What's the name of your friend? This one, this Mary.
Mm-hmm. You two are cute.
Here.
Ano yun? Yun ba yung clip niya? Nalalaglag? Yung clip niya ba yun? Yung nasa buhok niya?
Thank you. Here I come.
Ay, oh. Say bye-bye. Thank you po. Sige po.
Ayun siguro yung gamit yan.
O yung iba? Haba. Oh, yung si Bex. Yung meters.